Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Well, here in northern Indiana, the days are still warm, but the evenings are getting very cool, and that makes me start thinking of fall. Fall makes me start thinking of soups and all things warm and cozy. So today I want to share with you our favorite loaded potato soup recipe. You're going to want this recipe. It's delicious. Follow along. Okay, the ingredients that we need are 4 or 5 potatoes peeled and diced, and then about a half cup of diced onion, about 1 cup of milk, half cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of flour, and that will be our thickener. And then to make it loaded, we will have some crumbled bacon, some cheese and green onion, and then salt and pepper for seasoning. Very basic ingredients, but a delicious soup. So let's get started. Okay, we'll start by peeling and dicing our potatoes and dicing our onion. Now let's get them on the stove and start cooking. Okay, I added the potatoes, onions to water. I just covered the potatoes with the water, and now I will season with some salt and pepper. About a teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon of pepper, and we'll cook that until the potatoes and onion are tender. Okay, our potatoes are tender. I'm now going to add the flour to our cup of milk. A little whisk here. I've turned the burner down now to simmer. Make sure that's fully incorporated here. Then I'll go ahead and stir that in. Then we'll add our half cup of heavy cream. Then we'll taste it for seasoning. See if we need to add any more salt and pepper. And at this time, I'm going to mash it just a little bit with my potato masher. This doesn't have to be done, but there's a couple bigger chunks. So some people mash all of it or blend it, but I just like it to be mashed just a little bit. It also helps to thicken it. We'll let that cook another 5 minutes or so, just to incorporate that flour mixture. And then it's ready to load with our cheese and bacon and green onion. Okay, now let's load this up. We'll add some bacon, green onion, and some cheese. Yum. So to be honest, when I was going to do this video, I thought my recipe is so simple, I'm not sure that I'm going to use it. I think I'm going to just look for the best potato soup recipe. And I found one that I thought sounded great, and we made it, and we didn't really care for it. So here you have a simple but creamy potato soup, and now it's loaded with lots of goodies, and it's gonna be delicious, I already know. But the recipe and instructions are down below, so check that out. And I hope that you'll continue to follow along. I enjoy hearing your feedback, so if you have any questions or comments, please leave those. And come back again for more videos. Bye now. See you soon.